for the Reapers, 1 for the 4 Horsemen, 2 for the Reapers, 2 for the 4 Horsemen. It is 3 for the 4 Horsemen. That is 41 points for the 4
Many
Horsemen.
students play football, basketball, softball, cheerleading, and those are great things to get involved with. But there are some students who prefer other types of competitions, and the Robot Gladiator League provides a great opportunity for students who enjoy creativity, making things with their hands, and battling robots.
The Grim Reaper is a special robot. It's built to wedge people up and basically bash them until their robot doesn't work anymore.
When the students get to that final build of the robot and they see their robot in action and they see that it actually does what they want it to do.
We're going to have a huge crowd here. The arena looks better than ever. The theatrics look fantastic. I'm really excited about all these robots. We've got great designs. The kids have had a lot of time to practice with them. They know their robots really well. And I'm really hoping to see a lot of good combat robotics.
My robot, it has a weapon system, a defense system, but it would really be used not as an attack weapon, but to just send the other robots in reverse so they can't get past you and knock down your pins.
Spectators, students cheering, jumping up and down, yelling without regard for what they look like, just because of the level of excitement that is created in the room when a Robot Gladiator League melee comes to your place.
Nothing is safe.
The 4 Horsemen in the lead at 55 to the Reapers 51.
Melee Day for the Robot Gladiator League is the ultimate showdown and showcase.
So Melee Day is one of those days that you're not really prepared for. The students, the participants, they show up not knowing what to expect.
These kids' robots are all in theory.
The most fun I've seen is when they actually get to build a robot and see what that robot can do. So I think this would be beneficial to students in a number of ways.
Let's battle.